Hey friends, today we're pairing two of my favorite things for Valentine's Day, gel press, you know I love my gel press, and origami. Now, you can buy origami paper, but why would you do that when you can make beautiful pattern paper for your origami projects on your gel press, right? The first thing we're going to do is put a 6" by 6" stencil on my 6x6 gel press, and then we're spreading some paint. This is a layered technique, so we're going to quickly dry the paint on the cool setting with my hairdryer. Now we're adding another lighter layer of acrylic paint over the top. Just for more interest, I'm printing on some copies of music sheets. Press the paper on your gel press, wait a few seconds, and then pull. I love this technique. Now let's try some different color and stencil combinations. Just make sure to let your first layer dry before you add the second layer of paint, and start with your darker colors first and add lighter colors over the top. I find that's the best way to be successful layering prints on a gel press. Once your prints are dry, you can use the originals or make copies of your favorites. Cut the prints in a perfect square. I'm cutting these about 5 3/4 inches by 5 3/4 inches. Time for the folding. Flip the paper over to work on the plain side. Fold the paper in half. Now fold each side to the center fold. Fold everything in half again. Unfold and fold each side down to the center fold. Do this on all 4 sides to create a creased square in the center. Unfold the entire sheet and fold down each corner as shown. Refold the horizontal lines. Pinch the ends and push down to the center line on both sides. Lift and fold down the points. This makes the bottom of the heart. To make things easier, mark each side in thirds. Do this on the first one until you get the hang of it. Push in the fold on the side to create an angle. Do this on both sides. Now fold down the corners in the center of the heart. The great thing about this heart is that you can put a message inside of it. This is the perfect little Valentine for all of your friends. Just pop it in an envelope and send them off. Let me know what you think in the comments, okay? I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want projects I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.